Hey guys, you want to make slime?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah!
Alright, so we've got our ingredients. We have, hold on Jacob.
Elmer's.
We decided that we are gonna make a gallon of slime. So, hold on.
We have Elmer's.
A gallon of Elmer's glue. And of course we have borax. And we also are gonna have some water that we're gonna mix in, and then food coloring. So let's get started. We're using this big Tupperware container.
I'm doing the borax.
Okay, so Lily has a paint stir stick. Jacob's gonna start dumping in the water. Oh yeah.
Because I'm the strong.
All right, go ahead. Stir it up, Lily. Go ahead and squeeze some in and then let Lily get it. Don't put it all in yet. Decided that they want to stir with their hands. So here we are. We're gonna start dumping in the borax. Jacob, why don't you get your hands out of there while we do this part?
What one? Oh, it's sticky. So the borax is what makes it so sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm touching borax. We already have slime.
All right, Lily is not happy right now. Her hands are gross. She's gonna go wash her hands.
Oh, I can squeeze a bubble.
Here you go, Lily pad. All right, Jacob's getting dirty. Keep mixing. You gotta mix it really good. Get in there. Let me see what's going on. This is probably one of the coolest things I think I've ever done.
I don't want to touch that.
Lily does not like it. Okay, so we're gonna carry the slime outside so that we can let the kids just kind of get in and make a big mess. Okay, so we just got the slime outside. The girls are already digging in. Let me see if I can get the boys over here to play, okay? Hey boys! We got the slime out!
That would have made sense.
Yeah, we can dump it in the pool. Why not?
Let's dump it.
Should we dump it?
Yeah! Ready? Go.
All right.
Dump.
Oh my god. Zoe, do you like this slime?
Can you guys move your feet?
I can't. Oh, sorry.
If you keep your feet, if you keep your feet in,
Bury your feet in it.
Lily didn't like it earlier.
Zoe. Oh yeah, that's cool, right? Oh man, why?
Are you guys stuck now? Look at Jacob.
Yeah, I'm stuck. Lift the whole thing.
Yeah, what do you think?
I don't like it. How do you not like it?
Yeah, it's sticky. It's so sticky.
So what you're supposed to do is
Hi, Daddy.
secret glove on.
Look at my kid.
He's just trying to pick it up.
Lift the whole thing.
He's trying to make pizza pie with the slime.
Ready? This is a lot of slime.
It's a gallon.
Hey, you didn't pick over this thing. Ready? Let's class. Ready? Let's class. Jacob. Come on, okay? Okay, ready, Jacob? Ready? Class. Jacob, ready?
That was almost right in his face.
Stop. Go now.
Jacob.
Go, Jacob. It's in my hair.
No, it's not.
No side, no side.
Everyone's running around with slime dripping everywhere.
No!
Not your hair.
Oh, if it hits the driveway, it's done. Look. Oh.
Look at that. It's done.
Oh, it's done. All right.
All right, no more in the driveway.
We are losing all the slime to the driveway. It's becoming a casualty.
Oh,
Yeah,
Watch yourself.
it's becoming a mass casualty of slime here. Look at this. We've got slime everywhere. Okay, so this is the slime cleanup. So we're about 20 minutes later and we're still scrubbing the driveway. Sometimes you have to make the baby do the work. Good job, Zoe. This is way messier than I anticipated. We had a lot of fun doing it though. And I'm not gonna lie, I would really honestly, I would do it again. But I would not do it on the pavers because it is almost impossible to get off the pavers. So if you plan on doing this, don't do it on the pavers.
Do it on carpet instead.
No, don't do it on carpet either because
That makes it worse.
Jacob's pants are covered in slime. Emmy's pants are covered in slime. Ashley's shirt is covered in slime. Still don't know how we're gonna get that out yet, but we'll figure it out. So, yeah, overall a success, but way messier than I planned.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe for more family fun.